Welcome back. Now, one of the other elements that we can add to our video is to caption the video. And if you're in your browser-based editor, you're going to see on the left side menu that there is an element here that says Captions. You can click on that caption element. Now, we do have a few choices. If you already have a caption file, that's an SRT file or JRC file, you can upload that file here in this area. You can also type in your captions. So if you know where the captions go, you can click this element and you can type in your captions. Or you can go to this element here at the top and you can click Auto Captions. If you have captions and you want to clear them, you can tick this. Otherwise, you'll need to select the language that's in your video and then you can click on Generate Captions. CapCut will then go through the process in your browser of generating captions. And what you'll see then are the captions are then in your video. You can customize the captions. What we can do is we can dictate the style of the caption. And what you'll notice is that once you change the style, that style is going to appear throughout the rest of your video. So basically what you have now done is you have now made it so that the captions will appear along with the audio in your video. For example, if we play the video, what you'll see is that the captions will move with the video. Hello and welcome. And you'll want to type in Audacity. And typically you're going to see a search result that will look. And one of the elements you'll see is that something appeared here in this area. We're going to want to delete that element. So basically you can caption your video and add that caption to the appearance of the video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.